In this video, I will show you how to delete cookies in Google Chrome. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and delete the cookies in Google Chrome, it's relatively easy to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser and then come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots just up here. From this menu, you want to come down and click onto settings. Then what you want to do is come across to the left hand side and you want to click onto privacy and security. So next what you want to do is in the privacy and security section, you want to come down and click onto third-party cookies. And then from here, all you want to do is just scroll down all the way down towards the bottom and you're going to see an option called see all site data and permissions. So go ahead and give that a click. What that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. Now this way you can actually delete the cookies. So if you want to completely delete all cookies, all you need to do is click this button here which says delete all data. Or what you can do alternatively is just scroll through the list and choose the one that you want to delete, and you can even use the search box at the top if there's like a website in particular that you're looking to delete cookies for. Now just bear in mind, if you do delete any cookies for any websites and you're logged into that website, what's going to happen, it's going to log you out and ask you to log back in, as one of the purposes of cookies is to keep you logged in if that's what you've chosen to do on certain websites. So in this example, what I'm going to do is just select this one as an example. So we just come to the right hand side, click the trash can icon here. And as I mentioned, it does say here, you'll be signed out of this site, including in open tabs. And then you would just press the blue delete button and that's going to delete the cookies. And as mentioned also, if you just want to go ahead and delete all your cookies entirely, just come up and press the delete all data button here. And that's going to go ahead and delete all the cookies on Google Chrome. You can actually see as well next to each site how many cookies are for each site. So you can see Canva has 32 cookies, vidIQ has 22 cookies, and so on and so forth. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.